Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Start Coding Class. Today we are going to see how to insert data with the help of Livewire into our MySQL database. In my last video, so how to fetch data from database and how to display it in our web page. So all the values are coming. This title, first comment, all this is dynamic and coming from our database. So today we are going to do, when I when I enter some value in title, suppose something, whatever you want, title suppose test, and content is demo, and when we are going to click on this create post, so that this data will be inserted into our database. Okay, so you can see in database there is only 5 records which we have inserted with the help of seeder. So if you don't have watched that video in my playlist, so you can also click on I button. So in I button you can get the link of how to create seeder and how to insert dummy data in Laravel. So we are going to in our VS Code. So in VS Code you can see this is the page where we have written the code. You can see this is the form. So now we are going to start the coding for this. So you can see this wire.submit.prevent. Inside this wire submit.prevent, you can see there is a store. So a store is a function which is defined in our postcrud.php. So when we are going to click on this submit button, if I talking about in front end, so when we click on this create post, when I am just writing something in title field and content field, and when I hit this create post button, then this function will redirect to this store function. Okay, so for just checking, we are going to check when I click on this create post, so it will be print hi. Okay, so let's check it, test and demo. Okay, and when I am going to click on this create post, so you can see hi. So now it's working, so it's redirecting to this function. So I write something in title and content, and when I am going to hit this button create post, so the data will be inserted in this table, post table. Livewire CRUD is our database and post is our table, so the new record will be inserted here. So let's go, and now we have to write the code. So first of all we have to do some validation, like this title field, title and content will be required. So for this we need to write $this validate title is required and content is required. Content is required. Okay, and after that we are going to write the code to insert into our database. So our database model is you can see the post model. So the post model post create, we need to call this post create, and inside this we are just going to write the value. So title, this will be the same as your database. whatever in you have written in database, so you have to write this same thing here. So title and content. So first of all title. So and we are getting the title value from this form. So we are just wire model title. Okay, so wire model title, we are going to dollar this title. Okay, and the next will be content and dollar this content. Okay, so now it will be if I going to click on this, so it will be inserted into our database. So first of all I need to format this document. Now it is okay. So when I am going to check this, so let's go check this. First suppose I am going to this and port test title is there. So I am just writing here fifth test title. Okay, and fifth test content. Okay, so when I going to click on this, I am just also going to open this inspect element. So and when I going to create this, so it will be, if the code is correct, then it will be inserted into our database. So you can see in database there is 11 total 11 records. So when I am going to click this create post, so it will be 12. One more record will be inserted into our database. So I am going to click on it. Okay, so nothing will happen because we have not printed any success message or something. So we need to check this into our database. So when we going to refresh this, you can see the one more record is inserted, whatever we have written in title and content text box. Fifth test title. Okay, so my code is working fine, but now we have to add some message which will be display from the upper part of this post. Nearby manage post, I will show the message created post successfully. Okay, so let's go. First of all we will use this session or inside session you can call flash message flash, or inside this we need to message, and the full message will be post created successfully. Okay, so it will be display sorry, double I is incorrect. So I am just sending a flash message. So we need to print this session flash message into our blade.php. Okay, so for flash message we have to show this flash message above these forms. So for this we have to write some codes also. So I am going to put a if condition. If session has message. Okay, so in this situation we are going to a div. Okay, so the div will be like this, and we are going to print that session message. So session, and inside this we are just going to write the message. Okay, and after this step we need to end the end if also, otherwise it will give error. Okay, so I am going to format it also, format this document. So now it's looking good. So I'm just commenting less message. Okay, when we are going to click on this create post, so message is showing or not. So for test we are going to sixth test title and sixth test content. Okay, so when I am going to click on create post, so message will be visible below the manage post. So you can see, yes, post created successfully is printed now, so it's looking good, and also the value is also inserted into our database. So now we have to do this, we need to do add some css in this div, because it's not looking good, it's not looking as a success message. So we are going to add some tailwind css classes. So let's go, just add some class. Okay, so bg green 100 and border uh, border also border green 400 and text green 700. Okay, and I am going to px4 and py2 and rounded also, and also we are going to add margin bottom 4. And now check once, so the message is looking good. So first test title. Okay, first test content, and when I am going to hit this create push, so it will be visible. So you can see create post, post created successfully, so it's looking good, it's looking professional. So when I am going to in our database, so it's showing the data is inserted in successfully. So this is good, but there is one problem. When we are clicking on this create post now, so this text is not text box should be empty. So let's we have to do this also. Let's go to our controller, and there we need to create a function, uh, public function, public function reset input. Okay, so I'm going to, so we are going to write this title. When I call this function, then title will be empty, and also dollar this content will be empty. Okay, okay, so and this function I'm going to call this after this flash message. So we need to write this dollar this, I need to use this dollar this before this function name. Okay, so now I think everything is fine. So let's check this, it's correct or not. So I'm going to write second test title. Okay, and second test content. Okay, so when I am going to create this post, so what will be happen? There is a success message will appear here, and the input this text box will be empty. So let's click on this 1 2 3. Yes, so when we clicked on this, post created successfully is here, and title and content field is empty. So now it's looking good. So you can see, and the same time you can see the second test title is also coming into our this post section. Okay, so this is a good thing without page refresh. So if I going to one more test, third test title, and third test content. Okay, so when I'm going to click this, the message will be appear, and the input will be empty, and inside the all posts there is one record inserted without page refresh. Okay, so 1 2 3, you can see third test title is coming here, and post created successfully, and title, this input field is empty. So I think for today our agenda is we have achieved the target. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.